Hello, my name is Jimmy, and I have not posted in quite a long time. A lot has happened since the last time I posted. I've actually moved to a different state. I'm now living in the state of Missouri. I got a job at a local grocery store, and I became a shift manager there. I started working with a small indie game development team called Void Softworks. Just like 5 guys, we're developing a game called the Abigail Cipher. And in my spare time, I've been programming a game by myself, completely by myself, called MiniGameMaker, and that is what you see in front of you right now. So the point of the game, as the name implies, is to create mini-games, though you can pretty much do anything you want. I give you this nice open room. It has something inside of it right now, but that's something that I built to kind of display what you can build inside of this game. But you can build anything. You can build works of art. This is not a work of art. This is something I built, so it's fairly ugly. As you guys know, I'm more of a technical guy. But you can build anything. You can build art. You can build more technical things like, what is it, this one? This right here. Just some wiring that I threw together. So I have a pretty advanced wiring system in here. But yeah, you can build anything you want. You can build puzzles, you can build artwork, you can build mazes, you can build survival maps where you have like turrets and stuff firing at you, lasers, everything like that, and you're trying to survive. Whatever you want, and then you can upload them to a server, kind of like Happy Wheel style, where you can search through user-made maps by tags, depending on what kind of game you want to play, and you can play through them. So endless possibilities as to what this game could have, and it's entirely driven by the people who play it, and I love that. Minecraft is a perfect example of what amazing things can come out of a large community playing a game. Artists, logical players. It's just really cool to see what a community can do if you give them the right tools. So that's the point of this game. So let's run through the hotbar real quick. So if you want to build things, you have a color selector here in slot 1. So you can select the color, and that color will correspond to the different wall types. So we have different like window walls, door walls, quarter walls, half walls. Yeah, we also have block types. That's an ugly yellow. There we go. Let's go with red. So we have, there we go. There's that. So you can build walls very quickly, or you can actually build blocks like that really quickly and easily. So let's do that. So that's a cool little feature. But if you don't want to do that quick build stuff, we have regular blocks, like medium-sized blocks and big blocks, and you can use these to build whatever you want. So artists can have a free-for-all on this one. They can build absolutely anything you want. Man, that is bright. What else do we have? Let's go to our wiring system. So we have a wiring system of different colored wires. If you run these different colored wires by each other, they only power themselves and not each other. One problem with Minecraft was you can't run wires right by each other. That is not a problem in my game. You just have different colored wires. That was an oversight. There we go. So you have different colored wires, and then the signals do not mix. I also have logic gates, so signals can cross each other and stuff like that. Or we have RS NOR latches, XOR gates, lock gates, AND gates, NOT gates, delay circuits, stuff like that. So you can build really advanced wiring circuits. We have some other miscellaneous stuff like doors. So these doors correspond to whatever color you have selected to. And you can run wires into the input of the door. So if you power it with a button, the door will open and then close. If you power it with a switch, the door will open and stay open. We also have moving platforms. So these platforms will move if you run power into them. So let's run a switch right into it. But the thing that's really cool about these moving platforms is if I add blocks to them and then power them, the blocks will move with them as well. And this allows you to build really cool things like elevators. So if I want an elevator, I could place this on the wall, place the secondary platform up there, attach a floor and run a signal in. Let's just do a button. And there, you got a quick and easy elevator. Let's see what else we have. We have conveyor belts. Oops, I stood on that platform and didn't know why I was moving. We have conveyor belts here. And yeah, that's it for the miscellaneous. You can also have like bouncy balls or crates and stuff that you can throw around. If you set these on the moving platforms, they will move with them. We have display lights. These are pretty cool. So the way these things work is if I run a signal into that, it'll display white. But if I change the input to go to the yellow, it'll highlight yellow. Or if I run yellow and red, it'll be orange. If I do yellow and blue, it'll be green. If I highlight all the colors, it'll be white. And that's how that works. We also have a detector plate that will output a signal if you walk on it or if you place a crate in it. That'll send a signal out. So yeah, that's what I have in the game so far. And I'm just constantly adding stuff. I'm working on adding in some like weaponry, so lasers and stuff. I'm going to have it so that you can deflect lasers by bouncing them off of reflective surfaces. There are going to be detectors that detect when a laser is hitting stuff, so you can have redstone. I'm used to redstone. You can have wires running off the laser to detect that and have different weird circuits set up. But yeah, endless possibilities with this game. I don't know if I mentioned it already, I intend on having a story mode. I might have mentioned it, where it's like a game show style story mode. But yeah, it should be pretty fun. I just wanted to give you guys a quick run through of what I have in this game so far. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be doing weekly updates of whatever I put into this game. So every week I try to program as much as humanly possible. All my spare time goes into it. So I'll just update you guys weekly. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And goodbye.